How to find forgotten Instagram password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can find the forgotten password on Instagram. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, let me just go ahead and open the Instagram app, and you can see that this is currently my account. If I go to my profile page, let's say that this very account, this is Johan. This is the Instagram account of which I have forgotten the password of. And hopefully, let me just go ahead and show you how you could very easily find this. Now, if you have your account synced across all devices, for example, you might have iPhone and you have synced everything to your iCloud Safari as well as saved all of the passwords. If you're using it in Chrome, you might have also turned on sync, and hopefully, if you have turned on sync, what we have to do is simply open the browser on which our account is logged in, such as, let's say, Chrome, on which my Google account is linked and logged in across all my devices. And what I have to do is, in the search box, I want to simply go ahead and then type in Instagram.com. So let me just go ahead and simply type in Instagram.com right on this page. And you can see it will take me basically to the login screen on this page. You can see we have to get the Instagram app, but we're going to ignore that and simply tap on login or sign up, which you see as soon as you do that, you can see it will ask us for our email and password credentials. Now over here, we don't remember the password, right? So all we have to do is tap on the username section, and your browser will show you a list of the accounts which you have saved onto your account. So let me just show you, you can see a bunch of Instagram passwords which I have saved. Over here, what you want to do is simply select the account of which you have forgotten the password of. So as we said earlier, in my case, it was this account which says this is Johan. So all I have to do is simply tap on this account. And you can see that the username and password will be typed in automatically, and all you have to do is, in order to find your password, is that you have to tap on this show button which you see at the right hand side of the screen. So go ahead and tap on the show button once you see it, and you can see that our password is right over here. Now let me also go ahead and show you whether this password is correct or not. So I'm going to simply tap on the login button. As soon as you tap on login, you can see that we would have successfully logged into our Instagram account. And this is how you could very easily find your forgotten Instagram passwords. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.